What does doing it right the first time mean in wildlife control?
Well, I was taught do it right the first time when I was a little kid by my dad. You know, he was a stickler on if you don't do it right, you're tearing it all down and you're redoing it again until it is right. So I learned at a very young age that, if you're going to do something that's worth doing, it's worth doing right. I brought that in the military, and lives are on the line in the military if you don't do it right. So, it just further ingrained that. And then with the wildlife, it's people don't want you consistently, constantly going back to their house because the squirrel has chewed back in, the raccoon has ripped a hole back in, the animals are back. Nobody wants, whenever they hire me, nobody wants to keep calling. They want to call me, they want me to come out there, they want me to take care of the problem and be done with it. So that's where all that translates into the wildlife industry, in my opinion.